All right, so nice day outside, cloudy, not too hot. Summer's pretty much coming. It's coming pretty soon, but I'm out here to do something fun. I'm actually going to pull from the barrel. Yep, I'm gonna pull from that barrel. Let's check it out. Now here you can see my barrel, nice and dirty. No, those little leaks there, but nothing really other than that. So, yep, let's get set up so we can figure out how to, well, I guess let me show you something before I do that. Let's see if I can, well, let me see. Can I turn this with one hand or do I need both? I think I need both. Hold on. All right, let's turn this. And you can see here's the bung. I need to get that out somehow. So let me work on getting that out and then we'll pull some juice from this. How does that sound? It's definitely been a moment since I've been in it. So I'm very curious to see what it's like. Nope, it's not that. There you go. Ooh, that smells really, really good. Nice, nice, nice. Just gonna turn it so I can get to it and be able to get to that liquid there. All right, let's pull some out. All right, so I'm gonna put this down here and this down here. I'm gonna use a Still Austin Blue Corn in a Stag Junior bottle to pull from. Whew, this smells amazing. It smells super good. Let's see if I can get some juice out of here. Ooh, look at that color. It's gonna take me a moment to fill these, so I won't film all of that, right? But I'm definitely be trying some of this later today. All right, almost done filling this first bottle. Let's add one more to it. There we go. Just so you can kind of see, look at that. Look at that color, nice, nice. Let's start filling the second one. Almost done filling the second one, my Still Austin one. Oh, didn't get very much on that one. Probably one or two more here. Yep, that's all she wrote. Ugh. So there you go. Second bottle full. Pretty excited. So you're probably wondering, hey, so Doc, why are you pulling all that out? Well, that's for Patreon members. My Patreon members are actually gonna try this. It smells amazing. I'm actually gonna go try it in a few seconds here. But I mean, now I need to put some more fluid back in here. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get set up to put some fluid in here. So I do have 12 bottles put back in here. So there's 12 bottles here. I'll go over each one as I dumping them in. But let me turn this back up and get set up to start pouring some in here. All right, so let's start off with some early times here. These are the ones before they're changing them. I decided I'm gonna grab a few of these bottles because they're pretty tasty overall. So why not put that in there? As that one's going in, and get the other one ready. Yep, another early times to go in here. Next is the Cedar Ridge. It's for my buddy Everyday Drinker. So we're gonna put that in here next. These are always sometimes fun to try to figure out how to open them. There you go. Nice little pop. First pop, huh? It's got a pretty big mouth, so that should jump out pretty quickly. Next is gonna be Blue Note. We're gonna do this Blue Note next. This is a uncut, unpicked. It's a barrel from my area. I really like this one, but I had a few extras, so I figured why not throw one in here. So let's hear that pop. Nice. And let's throw that one in here. Didn't realize I do have another early times. I thought I had bought like 4 of them, but I only see 3 in here, but that's okay. We'll put this one in next. All right. Ooh. I didn't realize I had this one for this Wild Turkey 101 rye. I don't even know if I've even tried this one, but oh well. Going in here. Man, this is tracking some flies out here. It's that. Just got over rain, so a lot more flies than usual. All right. Let's hear this one pop. Nice. All right, next is some Saz 100 proof Saz. Let's go ahead and hear this one pop. Oh, not too much of a pop there. Long neck, that's a long neck in there. All right, next is another blue note. As I said, I did have some extras of this and really do like it, so why not throw some of it in here? Same blue note as the other one. Well, I have a mostly full, or 2/3 full Old Granddad bonded going in as well. Makes a great old fashioned, but let's just add some flavor to this. Has some good flavor in there as well. All right, last but not least, what do we have? Old Forester single barrel going in, an Old Forester single barrel. Hear that pop? Nice. So the fun part after this is going in and making sure I have these bottles on my list. If I don't have to add them to the list, to add them into that I've added into the infinity barrel. All right, let's close her back up. All right, so pulled out some juice, put some juice back in, let that sit there for a while. I'm not going to touch it for a moment. I wanted to pull the juice out before I added anything in, because you have to kind of let it sit there for a while before it all blends, right? So that's why I did that. So I'm looking forward to sharing this with some of the Patreon. I'm going to show you a little sneak peek of something else I have going on. So I have these 2 little barrels that I just got, both 5 liters, or I think 3 gallons, I think is what they are, 3 gallons. But can't wait to use them. They're going to be fun. I'm going to do some experiments with them. I have a Still Austin experiment coming up first. So there you go. I just haven't played with that barrel in a while, so I'm pretty excited. I'm pretty excited about it. So, well, my friends, thank you for joining me on another journey down my whiskey rabbit hole. To our next journey, my friends, cheers.